Ladies and gentlemen, let's make some sliders for my lunchbox at work. So we'll start off by seasoning our mince, and then we flatten it on top of a parchment paper. Then we put it on top of our pan, then off to the oven for 15 minutes. And then we move over to our buns. So I made my buns from scratch, but you are more than welcome to buy them if you want. So making these sliders today was kind of difficult because of the Madlanga Commission, which has been playing on TV, and I've been following it closely. So yeah, I'm kind of drawn to it. But I survived the temptation. I managed to finish my lunchbox. So the reason why I chose to make sliders is because I wanted something easy to digest. I wanted variety, just something I can share with my colleagues. And I also made these delicious caramelized onions. And I must say, when making sliders, you are more than welcome to add any toppings you like. There are no limits. And I also made this crispy bacon, then I cut it into smaller pieces. So making sliders, it's all about multitasking. So I've been multitasking the whole time. So once my dough has risen for the second time, I then prepped some egg wash, then brushed it over, then took my buns to the oven for 20 minutes. And once they were ready, I then brushed them with some butter to keep them soft. And I must say, I'm very impressed with the way my buns came out. They were very, very soft, which is something I was looking for. So I cut them open to prep them for staking. Then I aligned them in my pan. Then I added my mince, then topped it up with some mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Then I added my bacon, then followed by my caramelized onions, then pickles, and lastly, tomatoes. Then I closed everything up, but I almost forgot to add some sauce, but I remedied the situation. I then took my sliders to the oven for 5 minutes, just so the cheese can melt. And oh my goodness, they came out as intended. They were very colorful and very, very delicious. Please try this at home and let me know what you think in the comment section. And guys, I'm looking forward to hearing from you because you can't miss this. Ladies and gentlemen, it's all chocolate love.